end of the day, almost time for the bell. How many options will you sell? Fire up your platform, get ready to enter. But first, let's get the mindset centered. Hey, let's go. We're not here to gamble, we're here to trade. We follow the plan, that's how we get paid. Testing, trading, have success. Find what works for you and forget the rest. Stats and probabilities is what we're about. Time to dismiss greed and doubt. Focus on the process, not the money. And the profits will flow like honey. Power Hour Live, let's start the show. Come on, trade hackers, get ready to go. 0-day options, time to make bank. Get locked and loaded, then be ready to blank. Hey!
Everyone, welcome to Power Hour Live. Today is November 6th on a Thursday. S&P is currently down 51, NASDAQ down 365. Russell is down 34 points and the Dow's down 265. Russell and the NASDAQ down about the same. Those are the two weakest. Gold is pretty flat. Silver's down about 0.25%. Notes and bonds both up about 0.5%. 10-year yield down almost 1.5%. Oil flat. Natural gas up almost 4%. All the grains finished really red. Euro and the pound are both up about 0.5 to 0.75%, and Bitcoin down about 2.5%. Back around the 101,000-ish level. VIX up 5.5%, currently at 19.05. Well off of its highs. Peaked above 20 today. Before the bounce off the bottom. As far as my trades go, my BICs, I've had a couple double stops here, quite a few tranches. 2 double stops. I've got one still open. TAT says minus 18. I'm actually down about 1,200 after selling some longs. So we'll see if we can scratch out a green day with BICs. I've done 3 Elmos, 2 hit profit target, and 1 I'm still in, and it's up 18%, so getting close. If it can stay right here for a few more minutes, it should hit that 25% profit. Day trading, kind of disappointing. Basically a scratch day. I made $6.80 after fees and commissions, which is unfortunate because I was up big in APP and gave it back, and then made kind of a, I would say a dumb trade in Hood. One of them was, anyway. Did have a nice trade in SPX. With a vertical to help out for plus 1,500, but basically a scratch day. I'm actually going to do a quick video on my my Hood and APP trade, so I'll talk a little bit about that. What else? Oh, 1 DTEs. Ended up doing 2 1 DTEs. My first one was red with the big down move. Now it's up 21%. My second one's up small, up 4%. So I'll close those out by the end of the day. Other than that, I think that is it for me. Chad is in the woods, scoping out a deer. So it's just me again today, kids. Just me and you today. The IWM, I was actually trying to figure that out earlier. I think I marked it on my daily chart. Let me see. Oh yeah. I had just kind of marked these lows that hit right here. So we kind of pushed back right into that level and bounced. Are you volunteering Op for $1? You want to co-host today? Crickets? Anybody else want to co-host today? We're having tryouts. All right, no takers. Okay. Good talk, guys. A lot of fun you guys are. Let's see. As far as big movers today, D-Dog had earnings. It's up 25%. Big move in D-Dog into new all-time highs. D-Dog got added to the S&P 500 one of the last couple of sessions where they added. The options still aren't great to trade. But I have it on my list. Oh, not too bad, I guess. 15 cents. 20 cents wide. I mean, not great, but not terrible. Not as bad as I thought. Anyway, Baidu's also up 4%. Expedia up 3%. Baba's up 3%. And the bloodiest of stocks, my Celsius, which, by the way, I'm enjoying a nice peach mango green tea, fizz-free Celsius as we speak. But not a good earnings for Celsius. OKLO's down 11%. Circle's down over 10%. Circle has just never really recovered after that initial IPO spike. Got up to 298, 299. Now it's down to 101. Still above its IPO price of 64, but heading that direction. Hood is down 9% after earnings. By the way, all my I got out of that PLTR one for a nice profit, but the other earnings flies are kind of getting smoked here. Hood is, Hood's pretty much dead. Uber's dead. DOA, dead on arrival. AMD had a chance, and then it fell apart today. AMD was way up here. It was profitable, and then it came down. APP also was profitable. It was up nicely, and then it's kind of come down. So not good on the old earnings calendars. Let's see. Some other quantum names are red. Cryptos are red. Is MU today? Let's see. No, MU already had earnings. Today is Thursday. We've got Open Door, MP, Sound, DraftKings, Airbnb. Nothing I have any interest in. Oh yeah, MU is hitting new all-time highs. Maybe that's what you're mentioning. All right, Abash, let's figure out your calendar dilemma. Oh yeah, Waller is speaking in 5 minutes. He was labeled as orange folder on the calendar, which means medium impact. All right, Abash, so that the green one, is that your actual entry? Okay. And so when you put those together on your analyze screen, what do you see? So That is November 6th and 7th. Okay, so that's today and tomorrow. You're on the 6875 put calendar. $68.75. And you did that for $350. Okay. So yeah, you're not having a good day on that one. So yeah, you're just trying to get out of it. And so you are looking at the 68.75 calls. Well, the problem is there's no value in these things. And I think my Elmo just hit. Yes. Hang on a second. So you're trying to sell the I'm walking through this. I think it'll be helpful for other folks as well. So this is what you're trying to do. So the easiest way to figure out if this is a solution is to put it on your screen, and if it boxes it out, it would have a straight line across your analyze screen with the loss. Okay. So this is not what that is. And I haven't boxed one of these off, so I'm trying to think about it in my mind as well. Yeah, so I guess my question is, when you try to submit that, if you don't have portfolio margin, does your broker let you submit a short calendar? So yeah, I would need to kind of think through that. I haven't done that with calendars for so long, so I'd have to play around with it. But I think that's correct. Just hit confirm without hitting send and see if you get any rejection in the order box. I think that should work. They should accept it. All right, so S&P just kind of chopping around. Hit three nice Elmos today. Elliot, the 2 lots are magical. I'm so good with 2 lots. Suck with 5 lots. The magic
order
2-lot.
canceled.
That was the entire problem, is I was doing 5 lots instead of 2 lots. All right. Let's see if Waller's going to shake this market up a little bit. It's starting to get a little dippy. SPX made it all the way back up to the expected move range on the low side.
Order partially filled.
After going about 2 standard deviations. Not quite getting back above it. Well, that little down move just hit me on a put side of my BIX too, so that's not going to work out for having a green day on the BIX. Hood back through lows of day. APP back to lows of day. Banks are strong. Bank of America and JP Morgan still up near highs of day. Core weave rolling over. Mag 7 are just kind of chopping. Getting ready to go somewhere else. Oh, yeah. Economic news. All right, so here's Waller speaking right now due to participate in a panel discussion titled Central Banking and Future of Payments at the Bank of Canada's annual economic conference in Ottawa. Tomorrow, they did have a bunch of jobs data posted as tentative. That's been removed, so apparently that's not happening. We do have consumer sentiment and inflation expectations 30 minutes after the market opens tomorrow. Let's see if they moved the other. No, it's not showing up, but next week we do have CPI. Oh, CPI Thursday, PPI Friday. It's usually Tuesday, Wednesday, or Wednesday, Thursday, but next week it's Thursday, Friday. They're just trying to ruin our Friday premium selling with a little PPI. Yeah, that's exactly right, Abash. Yeah, I think that's right, Watson. I'm gonna go with that. I think that is a good plan. Is it still Elmo time? We got some juice. What are we at here? We still got 10 wide. I'm going in. I'm going in. I mean, it's a 2-lot. Who cares? Oh, 12.5%. Okay, now you're telling me all your little tricks. All right, I got filled. 10 wide. 40 puts, 50 calls. Yeah, I should have done the no stop version. I could remove my stop, I guess. In fact, I think I'll do that. I'm going to disable my stop. And I'll just watch it. My puts are 40 wide, and my calls are 35 wide, just based on where the 5-cent options are. So they will be going bidless pretty quick. So Elon's pay package is supposed to be approved today. Maybe they announce that after the market closes today. I don't know. Could already be priced in because it's pretty much a foregone conclusion, I believe, that they are going to do it, but you never know. Might be a little surprise in there we don't know about. Yeah, we got some stocks feeling a little bit heavy right now. Hood, CoreWeave, Microsoft, Meta. Yeah, PLTR. AMD, SMCI is going through lows. Got about 20 minutes till the bell. Yeah, my 1 DTEs will automatically close at 5 minutes until the bell. One's up 11%. They're both up 11%. Yeah, just 2. The one near the open, then I added 1 more. So together, they look like this. If this SPX doesn't fall apart and we just get a little bounce, I'll just close them. So I'll be right back to center. No, I do not want to dump. I'd like to end my day with a 100% win rate on my Elmos for once in a long time. Oh boy, it's getting heavy. Things are feeling a little heavy. NVIDIA coming down. My Elmo's going red. Don't like the looks of this. Do not like the looks of this. Let's get a bounce. Oh, thank goodness for VWAP. Save us for once in your life, VWAP. For once in your life, do something. Let's see, where are we at? 36. $40 butterflies trading for less than $1. $35 butterfly, same, less than $1. It's going to be a late Mahomes. Too much juice pumped into these options for Mahomes with the VIX spike above 20. In the price range today. Just had to go for one more Elmo, didn't I? Just had to do it. Couldn't be satisfied going 3-0. I had to get 4. VIX creeping back up to 19.4. Yesterday we went up all day and then we just fell apart at the end though. Today's a little different. We crashed, made a little bounce. Now we're coming down. All right. Elmo's about to get About to get cut. See if we bounce at this little pivot. Maybe a little flush and bounce. Maybe that's just me hoping.
Order filled.
My Bics are getting smacked today. Oh boy. Feeling a little heavy. Meta's now down to lows. PLTR still creeping. SMCI still pushing lower. SPX does not look like it wants to bounce. VIX is popping. Pretty inverse of SPX right now. Just had a 25-point drop here in the last 20 minutes, 25 minutes. S&P decided the short squeeze is over. It wants more. Yeah, MOC in 1 minute. I didn't get my 1 minute warning. Financial Juice didn't give us the 1 minute warning.
1 minute until the market on close.
Oh, there we go. A little late. 40 seconds, actually. Well, I guess I'm going to have to smoke this Elmo. I had a bigger loss than I wanted because I got no bounce before MOC.
Ten seconds.
That was a dumb idea.
Market on close imbalance. S&P 500 buy side 6.2 million. Nasdaq 100 buy side 3.7 million. Dow 30 buy side 1.7 million. Mag 7 buy side.
Got tripped up. Got tripped up on the last one. Poor guy, poor fella. It's a tongue twister. He can't get it all out. Let's see, the 25 butterflies, they're going to be cheap. Super cheap. $30 butterfly is $1.20 maybe. Wow, you got filled at $1.60. I did not see that price. Getting a little bounce. Well, that stupid little Elmo that I took the stop off of just wiped out my Elmo profits for the day. That's what happens when you don't trade your plan and you do things on a whim. That is what happens. SPX back up to 67.29. 30 butterfly trading for about $1.60 maybe. Well, it's all over the place. I'm not sure where it's trading. All those stocks starting to bounce as well. Big bounce in Netflix. Netflix has been all over the place today. Netflix is going to have a 10-for-1 split coming up. On sometime later this month, 21st maybe, something like that. Can you, did you disable it and just close it manually? S&P's a little bounce, getting pushed back down to 25. 5 minutes till the bell. Oh, my 1 DTEs. One DTEs are closing. One of them hit 20%. The other one looks like it's going to be small red. It's trying to close. Still trying to close. Oh man, it got filled for minus almost 11%. Still tiny net green on the 2-1 DTEs. Couldn't get out of that one. Check the 0 DTE trade channel matrix. The first one was near the open. The second one was, I don't remember exactly what time, after we started to bounce. Indices, especially the Russell, coming down towards lows. NASDAQ getting pretty close. Three minutes to go. 25 Mahomes. He's trading for over $2. I'm going to pass on the Mahomes today. Just irritated at myself for my Elmo mishap, so I'm going to just do nothing. SPX hanging around 22. VIX creeping back up towards 20, 19.71. SPX down to 20. 25 would be looking good. One minute till the bell. Little bounce up to 22. Back down to 19. Every little bounce getting shoved back down. 17. We're going to close on the lows today. 16s. 15s. Five seconds, back to 20.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
And there is the
Order
bell.
cancelled.
6720.41. 6720.41 looks like the final. All right, all that is a wrap for the day. Tomorrow is Friday. I'll be streaming live in the morning for day trading. We'll be back for Power Hour tomorrow for the last Power Hour of the week. All right, all. Take care. Have a good night. Talk to you soon.